Welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. My name is Mike, and today I'm going to do something called the Colossal Clucker. Holy cow, this is good. Isn't this part supposed to be at the end? Alright guys, so I had this idea yesterday and was talking to my wife about it, and we came up with this plan. I hope it works out. I hope you guys enjoy it, but we're doing a brunch style burger today. And I'm not going to share all the ingredients with you yet. As we go through this video, you'll see, especially at the end with the toppings, but here's what I've got so far. Take a look. So we've got a big burger patty here that I have formed and seasoned with Famous Dave's burger seasoning. And what I'm going to basically do here in a moment is I'm going to move that over here to this bacon. We're going to crisscross it, and then we're going to smoke this out on the smoker for, I don't know, however long, until we hit about 135. I'll put some cheese on top. We'll bring it inside and we'll build this burger. I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay tuned and hang out with me. All right, guys, so I've got this bacon covering here on the back. Give this a flip. All right, I've got this burger in that bacon crisscrossed. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more of this Famous Dave's burger seasoning. And I've got my pellet smoker outside preheating. We're gonna get that up to about 250, and we're gonna put this on there. I'll bring you back when we're outside. Smoker's up to temp, and we're gonna get ready to go ahead and put this on here. See if I can do this without ruining the shape. Just get it right in the center. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and monitor this. I have no idea how long it's going to take, but we want to get this up to about 135, and then we'll start pulling that off and building the rest of this. So hang in there. It's been about 30 minutes, and the internal temp on this is right about 108, 110, right in that area. So what I'm going to do now in order to crisp up this bacon a bit is I'm going to go ahead and crank this temperature up on my silver bag to about 300. And you can see we've got some really good smoke color here, and the bacon is rendering down. I just want to get a nice crisp on the outside of that before we go ahead and start building this burger. Okay guys, I just took temps. We just hit 135 inside. It's time to toast this bun and get some cheese on this burger. Just a ginormous patty. There's no way I'm gonna eat this whole thing, but it's fun to do anyway, so we're gonna do it. All right, we'll let that toast and melt. Come right back. All right, guys, my cheese is just about all melted. My bun is toasted up. Let's take a look. So I got a nice crisp on here. I wanted to go a little bit more crispy on this bun because this is kind of like a brunch deal, so I wanted that toast feel. So there we go. Now, let's go ahead and pull this burger. Just look at that thing, ginormous. Let's bring this puppy inside. All right, guys, I'm excited to build this. I just pulled this off the smoker. Take a look at this. We've got beautiful color on this burger. The bacon rendered down. It's got a little crisp on the outside. We've got lots of cheese. Now, this is a huge burger, guys. I don't know if you can tell from this video, but it's 24 ounces. No way I'm eating this whole thing, but I wanted to make it big and glorious for you guys just because I know you like that. So here's how we're finishing this off. I've got a toasted hash brown patty here. And why not? Got a nice fried egg there. It's over easy. Let's go ahead and cap this off. Just take a look at that. This thing is so big I can't even move it around. All right, you guys ready for me to cut this bad boy open? Let's take a look at what we have here. Look at that. All right, it's time for a taste test. I'm gonna finish this off with a little bit of my favorite hot sauce. Okay, you guys ready? This is going to be messy. Like my buddy Greg at Ballistic Barbecue says, this is definitely not a burger you want to eat on the first date. Here we go. Guys, that is just unbelievable. I mean, everything about it. I got a little bit in that bite of bacon, burger, hash brown, egg. Can really taste that Famous Dave's burger seasoning come through. This thing's just glorious. Unbelievably good. Hey, I appreciate you guys following me today. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. There's going to be a lot of cool, exciting stuff coming up with video collaborations and some new equipment that we have. So stay tuned. Thank you guys very much. God bless. Have a great day.